Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the next video trigonometry class. Before starting, first we start Brahmana. शांति 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 सुस्थो. Today we are going to discuss trigonometric equation. This is the second chapter of trigonometric equation. You know many types of equation like that quadratic equation, linear equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation, etc. But today we will discuss trigonometric equation. So you know what do we mean by trigonometric equation? So trigonometric equation means an equation contains trigonometrical ratio with variable angles. Angle can be expressed in terms of theta or in terms of x or in terms of alpha, like that. Okay. So an equation involving trigonometrical ratio with variable angles is known as a trigonometrical equation. For example, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, cos 2 theta plus cos theta equal to 0, sin square theta minus cos theta plus 1 equal to 0, or sin 2x plus cos square 2x is equal to 1, tan 2x plus cot 2x is equal to 1, like that. These are all the trigonometrical equations. Next, what are the solution? The solution means the values of variable angles which are satisfied the given trigonometrical equation are known as a solution. So solution means suppose we write sin theta is equal to 1 by 3 or sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So what is its solution? Solution means the values of theta which are satisfied the given trigonometrical equation are known as a solution. But every trigonometrical equation has infinitely many solutions. So now we see that what is the many or infinitely solution of the trigonometrical equation. Okay, so first we write trigonometrical equation definition, then example, then we find a solution. Okay. An equation contains trigonometric ratio or trigonometric functions of variable angles unknown angles, variable angles is known as trigonometric equation. For example, tan 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0, sin x minus 2 sin x minus root 3 is equal to 0, cos 2 theta plus cos theta is equal to 0. Cos square alpha minus 3 sin alpha plus 2 is equal to 0. So all are the trigonometrical equation. It is a trigonometrical equation contains the variable x. This is a trigonometric equation of a variable x. This is a trigonometric equation of a variable angle theta. Okay, here the trigonometric equation expressed in variable theta. Here alpha is angle variable. Okay, so these are all are the trigonometric equation. So solution. So what do you mean by solution? The solution means the values of theta which are satisfied the given trigonometrical equation is known as a solution. So how to find a solution? For example, let sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So what are its solution? Solution means the values of theta which are satisfied. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. You know, if theta is equal to 30 degree or theta is equal to 150 degree, then sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. But the 30 degree and 150 degree lies in 0 to 360 degree. There are many angles, many values of theta which also sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here theta is equal to 30 degree or 150 degree are the solution, because sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 50 degree is also 1 by 2. You know, sin theta is equal to sin 360 degree plus theta. Sin theta is equal to sin 360 degree plus theta. Okay, here theta is equal to 30 degree, that is sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. But sin 30 degree is equal to sin 360 degree plus theta plus 30 degree, it is also 1 by 2. So sin 360, because 360 is nearly equal to 0. 360 degree is equal to nearly equal to 0. So but 360 degree plus 90, 360 plus 30, this will be what? Sin 390 degree. So this is also 1 by 2. Here also if we added sin 150 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 150 degree plus 360 degree, this is also 1 by 2, because sin theta is equal to sin 360 plus theta. So this is equal to sin, here 0, 6, 5, 11, 3, 1, 4, 5. So sin 500 is equal to also 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 30 degree, 150 degree, 390 degree, 510 degree. If we added again 360 degree in the value of theta, that is equal to sin of 390 plus again we add 360 degree, because 360 nearly equal to 0. So 390, that is equal to here sin of 390 is equal to 1 by 2, because 360 plus 30 is equal to 390. Again we added 360 degree, then what happened? Sin 390 degree plus 360 degree is equal to also 1 by 2. So this is equal to sin 360 plus 390. What? So this is equal to 0. Here 9, 6, 15, 5, 1, 3, 3, 6, 7. So 750 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So sin 750 degree is also 1 by 2. So if we added 360 degree in repeatedly in that angle, we will get another angle. So that is all values of theta. All values of theta, 30 degree, 150 degree, 510 degree, 390 degree, 750 degree, then add 360 degree, we will get another angle. So all are the solution of sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. In generally sin theta is equal to sin 2n pi 2n pi plus theta. 2 pi means nearly equal to 0 degree because 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. N is equal to sin theta is equal to sin of 2n pi plus theta. Okay, like that sin 30 degree is equal to sin of 2n pi plus 30 degree. If we put n is equal to 0, then this will be 30 degree. Okay, if we put n is equal to 1, then 2 pi plus 30 degree. This is also 1 by 2. If we put n is equal to 2, then it will be 4 pi plus 30 degree. This is also 1 by 2. If we put n is equal to 3, then this is the 6 pi plus 30 degree. This is also 1 by 2. If we put n is equal to 4, then it will be 4 pi plus 30 degree. Or you added in this angle also sin 150 degree, 2n pi plus 150 degree. So for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, all the values of 2n pi plus 30 degree, this equation will be sin theta that is equal to 1 by 2. So it have how many solutions, how many values of theta? Here there are many solutions, infinitely solution. So these infinitely solution that is the 2n pi plus 30 degree is the solution of sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. That means in this equation have how many solution? Many solution or infinitely solution. Like that every trigonometric equation have many or infinitely solution. If we take another example, suppose tan theta is equal to 1. Suppose you take tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. You know tan theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to what? 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. But tan of 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. So 45 degree then added 180 degree. This is equal to 225 degree. So 225 degree. Tan 225 degree is also 1. Then we added again 180 degree. You will get another angle. This will be also 1. That means tan of 45 degree is equal to 1. Tan of n pi plus 45 degree. This is also 1. For n is equal to 0, it will be 45 degree. N is equal to 1. So pi plus 45 degree 1. 2 pi plus 45 1. 3 pi plus 45 1. 4 pi plus 45 degree 1. So all the values of theta, there are many values of theta, like that theta is equal to n pi plus 45 degree. For n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, we get the value of theta. That all values of theta is known as a solution of that tan theta is equal to 1. So every trigonometrical equation have many solution or infinitely solution. Okay. So, but a solution, there are two types. One is a general solution and other is a principal solution. General solution means all possible values of theta. All possible values of theta is called general solution. But those values of theta lies in between close interval 0 degree to open interval 2 pi. Means theta less than 360 degree, greater than or equal to 0 degree. तेणु थीटार भैल्यूटा जदि 360 डिग्री सान हो 0 डिग्री कि 0 डिग्री टू अधिक हम दैट नोन एज प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन. व्हाट आर द प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन? द वैल्यूज ऑफ थीटा लाइज इन बिटवीन क्लोज इंटरवल 0 to 2 pi. थीटा बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज इंटरवल 0 to 2 pi open is known as a principal solution. But infinitely solution, all possible values of theta are known as a general solution. Okay. तेणु थीटार जो भैल्यूटा ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन को सैटिस्फाई हम ताकू आम कहवा जनरल सॉल्यूशन बोले कहवा ना नहीं. सो सब ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन रो सॉल्यूशन इनफिनाइटली बाहर मेनी सॉल्यूशन बाहर. नाउ वी डिस्कस वन बाय वन व्हाट इज पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ थीटा फॉर sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. What is possible values of theta for cos theta is equal to 0, tan theta is equal to 0, sec cot theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now we discuss one by one. First we write a solution. So solution. Okay. So all possible values of theta which are satisfied the given trigonometric equation is called a solution. Okay, and that solution are known as a general solution. So trigonometric equation have many and infinitely solution. So solution are two types, that is the general solution. So general solution means all values of theta. All values of theta satisfied, which are satisfied the equation is called general solution. Okay, this solution is also known as a general solution. Principal solution. So principal solution means the values of theta belongs to close interval 0 to 2 pi. That is theta less than 2 pi 360 degree and greater than or equal to 0 degree are called principal solution. Okay. Now, what are the general solution of sin theta is equal to 0? First, solution. General solution of number 1, sin theta is equal to 0. You know when sin theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, pi 180 degree, 360 degree, that is 2 pi, then 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, also minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi. Okay, so these all values of theta, that is theta is equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, dot, here minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, like that. So these values is known as n pi. This is known as n pi, and the values of theta are called general solution. So sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. देखो sin theta 0 कोडी होची ना theta टा 0 डिग्री ने हबो 180 रे हबो ना नहीं तार तो पाई रहला 2 पाई रे हबो 3 पाई रे हबो 4 पाई रे हबो एमदी. So sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, dot, or minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, dot, because sin of minus pi is equal to minus sin pi. So sin pi is equal to 0 means minus 0 is also 0. So that implies theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z set. So the general solution of sin theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi. Okay. Next we go to cos theta is equal to 0. You know cos theta is equal to 0. When cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2, then 3 pi by 2, then 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, okay, then minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, etc. So sin theta is equal to 0, general solution of, therefore general solution sin theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z set. Okay. Next, number 2, cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to pi by 2. You know cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Then 3 pi by 2. Then 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, then 7 pi by 2 dot dot. Here also minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, like that. That is the odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90. So that implies theta is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. Here minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2. So its general form is 2n plus 1, odd multiple of 90. So odd multiple of 90 means this can be written 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z set. Okay. So general solution of cos theta is equal to 0 is theta is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Next, tan theta is equal to 0. What is general solution of tan theta is equal to 0? Number 3, tan theta is equal to 0. So tan theta is equal to 0 means sin theta by cos theta is equal to 0. That implies sin theta is equal to 0. So sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. So n belongs to z set. Therefore general solution of sin theta, general solution of tan theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z set. Do you understand? Next, number 4, cos theta is equal to 0. What is general solution of cos theta is equal to 0? So cos theta means what? Cos theta by sin theta. So cos theta by sin theta is equal to 0 means cos theta is equal to 0. You know cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z set. Therefore the general solution of cos theta is the same as the general solution of cos theta. Okay. Similarly, general solution of tan theta is the general solution of sin theta. So sin theta general solution jaha, tan theta general solution taha, cos theta general solution jaha, cos theta general solution taha. Okay. Next, sec theta is equal to 0. Sec theta is equal to 0. It is impossible to find the value of theta, because the value of sec theta, you know the range of sec theta, it must be less than or equal to -1 and greater than or equal to 1. तो sec रो value टा कौन होबो? -1 किंबा -1 टू सान होबो, 1 किंबा 1 टू बड़ा होबो. Like that the value of cosec theta is also less than or equal to -1 and greater than or equal to +1. तेणु sec theta रो value केबे भी 0 होबोनी. Sec theta is equal to 0 means there is no value of theta, whereas sec theta is equal to 0. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 0. There is no value of theta, cosec theta is equal to 0. Its solution is impossible. Sec theta is equal to 0 and cosec theta is equal to 0. Next, we find general solution of sin theta is not equal to 0. Okay. So, next we find general solution of number 5. Sin theta is equal to k. Sin theta is equal to k. Okay. Sin theta is equal to k. So sin theta is equal to k. Its solution is possible for which value of k? You know the maximum value of sin theta is +1. And what will be minimum value? Can you say? What is the minimum value of sin theta? This is -1. Maximum value of sin theta is 1. And all values of sin theta lies in between close interval -1 to -1 to +1. So the value of sin theta is possible. That is the value of theta. Its theta is possible k should be lies in between close interval -1 to 1. तो sin theta is equal to जो k देला k रो वैल्यू ना -1 to 1 भीतर रहिला का सॉल्यूशन ना पॉसिबल हबो अदरवाइज सॉल्यूशन नेवर बी पॉसिबल मन कर sin theta is equal to 2 देबो हम बाहर करि परिया कि sin theta is equal to impossible to find the value of theta because its value never be greater than 1, never be less than -1. All values lies in between -1 to +1. So its solution is possible. K should be less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to -1. Okay. So sin theta is equal to k, where k belongs to closed interval -1 to 1. So how to find its solution? First you have to convert k is equal to in term of sine. Suppose sin theta is equal to √3/2. Find its general solution. In such case, what we do? First you have to write an angle, small angle. First you select a small angle, okay, whose sine value is √3/2. Okay. You say for which value of theta, for which value of small angle, you say small angle, whereas sin theta is equal to √3/2. So definitely theta must be 60 degree, and it is also 120 degree. But a small angle, which one is a small angle? 60 degree. You write must be small angle. So this is equal to sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. So sin theta is equal to √3/2 means this is equal to sin 60 degree. Like that, sin theta is equal to k means first you write for which value of alpha. Here you write in this way. First let alpha be an angle where sin alpha is equal to k, where sin alpha is equal to k. So where alpha is a small angle, but this value of alpha lies in between. K means what? Sin theta. That is equal to sin theta less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to -1. What is theta? So theta is equal to less than sin inverse 1. एटी theta हम जदि बाहर करिया लेटा कोन हो ना sin inverse of -1. तो sin inverse of -1 sin inverse 1 is an angle whose sin value is 1. This is pi/2. So sin inverse 1 माने एटा कोनटा एंगल ना. तो sin रो को एंगल ना 1 हो definitely pi/2. So sin inverse -1, this is equal to minus sin inverse 1. So minus sin inverse 1 means minus sin inverse 1. So sin रो को value 1, this is 90 degree. So एटा केते होची pi/2. So theta is greater than equal to minus pi/2. Okay. अच्छा ये जो अल्फा टा आसिला हमें जो हमें नेबा sin alpha is equal to k. So alpha or theta must be lies in between minus pi/2 to pi/2. Are you understand? देखो sin theta is equal to k means k must be lies in between -1 to 1. k रो वैल्यू टा -1 to 1 भीतर रहले sin रो सॉल्यूशन टा पॉसिबल हबो. सेथि पई तमे कोन करिया पड़ियो? फर्स्ट यू टेक एन एंगल अल्फा whose sin value is equal to k, but alpha belongs to -90 to 90 degree. तो -90 to 90 डिग्री भितर इमिडिया गोटे एंगल टी कहबो जे जोथि पई तार sin रो वैल्यू टा k होतबो. फॉर एग्जांपल कहला sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू √3/2. sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू √3/2 हेले ताको तमे कोन लिखियो sin alpha स्टाइल ले लिखिया पड़ियो. In such case you express sin theta is equal to sin alpha. So what is alpha? Here alpha is equal to 60 degree and this 60 degree lies in between -90 to 90 degree भितर. तेणु जो एंगल ला साइन पे जो एंगल ला सिलेक्ट करियो से एंगल ला को भीतर रहया दरकार -90 to 90 डिग्री. ओके. सो here so let alpha be an angle where sin alpha is equal to k, that is sin theta is equal to k is equal to sin alpha, where alpha belongs to -90 degree, minus pi/2 to pi/2. Okay, because sin 90 is equal to 1, sin of minus 90 is equal to minus 1 बुझे ना जो sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू के जो नंबरटा थिबो से नंबर पाई तमे इमिडिएट गोटे एंगल डी सिलेक्ट करिवो जे जो एंगल पाई sin रो वैल्यूटा के होतबो आ से एंगल ना कोन हबो ना माइनस 90 टू 90 भीतर रखियो जेमदि कि मु तो कहली sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू √3/2 देला तमे थीटा राइट कोन लिखियो sin 60 डिग्री लिखियो not write sin 120 degree because 120 degree does not lie in between minus 90 degree to 90 degree. So बोले least angle ला लिखियो कौन लिखा बजे least angle ला लिखा हो ओके अच्छा sin theta is equal to sin alpha that implies sin theta minus sin alpha is equal to 0 okay. So actually we find the value of theta in general form. तो sin theta minus sin alpha is equal to 0 means you apply CT formula. This is equal to 2 cos theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. तो sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 that is equal to cos theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0 or sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, because this product is 0 means it may be 0 or it may be 0. So cos theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. You know when cos theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That cos theta 0 होची तार जनरल सॉल्यूशन कौन होची 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 एट थीटा दारे कौन होची theta plus alpha by 2. Do you understand or not? So this is equal to that implies theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 this is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So 2 cancel that implies theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi minus alpha. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi minus alpha. Here sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0 means this is equal to theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to what n pi where n belongs to z set. You know sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. So this is equal to theta minus alpha is equal to what 2n pi and what is theta? So theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. So theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi minus alpha and theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. Actually we find its general solution. And the general solution can be written in a formula style. So in order to get a formula we arrange this equation this solution in a standard form. What will be standard form देखो पहले जेहेतु आमे यार फॉर्मूला डेरिवेशन करछे तो फॉर्मूला गोटे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रहे दरकार तो से स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला आनिया पई आमे कोन करिबा व्हाट वी डू see that here theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi minus alpha. Here theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. So odd multiple of pi minus alpha. Here even multiple of pi plus alpha. Odd multiple of pi minus alpha. Even multiple of pi plus alpha. That means this can be written. This is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 to the power 2n plus 1 because you know minus 1 to the power odd minus 1 per odd number this is equal to minus 1 per even this will be plus 1 minus 1 per bar odd थियो बोले कौन होगा minus 1 होगा into alpha जेतु इडी minus alpha अच्छी इडी 2n plus 1 अच्छी odd multiple of pi अच्छी so here we write 2n plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 per 2n plus 1 into alpha because minus 1 by 2n plus 1 means minus 1 into alpha. Here theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus 1 per 2n into alpha minus 1 per 2n into alpha. देखो ये प्लस 1 अच्छी ना ना प्लस 1 टा मु कौन लिखली minus 1 per 2n because minus 1 per 2n is always plus and minus 1 per 2n plus 1 is always minus 1 so this will be minus alpha and this will be plus alpha. So by combining these two value of theta here theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi plus minus 1 power 2n plus 1 into alpha. Here theta is equal to 2n by plus minus 1 power 2n into alpha. तेणु आम थीटा कौन पाइले जिते पाइले ऑड मल्टीपुल गुणा होते माइनस 1 पावर ऑड नंबर होची जिते पाइले इवन मल्टीपुल गुणा होची इवन मल्टीपुल ऑफ इवन मल्टीपुल ऑफ पाई प्लस माइनस 1 पावर इवन नंबर इनटू अल्फा. So in generally this is equal to that implies theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi 2n into pi. Odd multiple of pi होची even multiple of pi होची. In generally this will be n pi. जोड़ी odd multiple थिबो even multiple थिबो so in general n pi. So this is equal theta is equal to n pi plus here also minus 1 power odd and minus 1 power even. Minus 1 power odd into minus 1 power even. This is also n pi. So this is n pi into alpha. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1 to the power n into alpha. This is equal to where n belongs to z set. Where n belongs to z set. बुझीगला ना जेहेतु ये पाई रे ऑड नंबर गुणाई ये पाई रे इवन नंबर गुणाई जो ऑड मल्टीपुल थी इवन मल्टीपुल थी सीधा कौन हम एन पाई हो एन पलि आसो से माइनस 1 पावर ऑड रहा ये माइनस 1 पावर इवन रहा ये भी माइनस 1 पावर एन हो सो माइनस 1 पावर एन इंटू अल्फा. सो sin theta is equal to k. This equation can be transformed in this way. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha and its general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha where n belongs to z set. This is the general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Okay, therefore general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha where n belongs to z set. If we put n is equal to 0 then we get one solution. If we put n is equal to 2 then we get another solution. If we put n is equal to 3 we get another solution. If n is equal to 0 you get another solution. N equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So different value of n, different value of theta and that all the value of theta are known as a general solution. Okay. तो sin theta is equal to k रो solution बाहर करिया गले प्रथम देखिया पड़ियो k रो वैल्यू डा -1 to 1 भीतर अछि ना देखिया पड़ियो जदि -1 to 1 भीतर अछि ता पई sin theta equal to sin alpha style रे एक्सप्रेस करिवो ना नहीं sin theta equal to sin alpha style एक्सप्रेस कला परे तुम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला पकई बाहर करियो आउ एमती करबा दरकार नाही. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ जनरल सॉल्यूशन sin theta is equal to sin alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Now we do some problem. For example, find the general solution of sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Clearly, this is the trigonometrical equation of the form sin theta is equal to k. What is k? Here k is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So minus 1 by root 3 minus root 3 by 2 lies in between close interval minus 1 to 1. It never be greater than 1 and never be smaller than minus 1. Okay. So first of all you have to convert this equation in the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. प्रथमे ए इक्वेशन टाकू तमे sin theta is equal to sin alpha style रे एक्सप्रेस करिया पड़ियो काहेकि ना sin theta is equal to sin alpha form बोले you will apply the formula. So what is alpha? You first you have to find alpha whose sin value is equal to root 3 by 2 and that alpha belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. प्रथमे तमे मते कहिया पड़ियो जे sin रो को वैल्यू ला minus root 3 by 2 हबो जो एंगल ला minus 90 to 90 डिग्री भीतर थिबो. So clearly it is gone हबो minus 60 degree because sin of minus 60 degree is equal to minus sin 60 degree. तो sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. तेणु sin रो को वैल्यू ला minus root 3 by 2. So this is equal to sin minus 60 degree. Sin of minus 60 degree. So here alpha is equal to minus pi by 3. Okay. So sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and this is equal to sin of minus pi by 6 minus pi by 3 because sin of minus 60 is equal to minus sin 60 and this is minus root 3 by 2. So which is of the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Here alpha is equal to minus pi by 3 and theta is equal to theta. So the formula is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, that is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into what is alpha? Alpha is equal to minus pi by 3. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into minus pi by 3 where n belongs to z. This is the solution and this solution is known as a general solution. Okay. So in this way you have to find the general solution. Next we go to another trigonometrical equation, that is the sin theta is equal to k. Number 6 number. Okay, 6 number. Sin theta, cos theta is equal to k. So next we find the general solution of cos theta is equal to k. Number 6, cos theta is equal to k. What is k? Where k belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1. Here also first you select an angle alpha whose cos value is k, but alpha must be lies in between close interval 0 to pi. Okay. So let alpha be an angle where cos alpha is equal to k, alpha belongs to close interval 0 to pi. Because you know k less than equal to 1 greater than equal to minus 1. So k means what? Cos alpha. So cos alpha less than equal to 1 greater than equal to minus 1. So alpha is cos inverse 1. Cos ta separate kon hobo. So this is equal to cos inverse of minus 1. Okay, but cos inverse 1 is equal to 0 and cos inverse minus 1 is equal to pi, because you know cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos pi is equal to minus 1. So alpha belongs to close interval 0 to pi. Therefore alpha belongs to close interval 0 to pi. Okay, that implies cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha means cos theta minus cos alpha is equal to 0 and you apply cos c minus cos d. So cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. Okay, theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0, because cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That implies sin of theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0 or sin of theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. You know sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. So in place of theta, here theta plus alpha by 2. देखो तुम्हें कौन जानছো sin theta 0 वाले theta कौन हो n pi होगा, किंतु theta बदले कौन अच्छी theta plus alpha by 2 अच्छी. So theta plus alpha by 2 रा कौन होगा n pi होगा. एडी कौन होगा theta minus alpha by 2 रा कौन होगा n pi होगा. So here theta is equal to what? Theta plus alpha is equal to 2n pi. Here theta minus alpha is equal to 2n pi. Okay, that means theta is equal to 2n pi minus alpha and here theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. That means we get theta is equal to 2n pi minus alpha and theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. So by combining these values of theta, we get theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That implies we can write theta is equal to, so theta is equal to 2n pi minus alpha or theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. That implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha where n belongs to z set. Okay, therefore the general solution of cos theta is equal to k, that is cos theta is equal to cos alpha, its general solution is equal to theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore general solution of cos theta is equal to cos alpha is theta is equal to 2n pi, theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z set. Okay, n belongs to z set. So first you have to write cos theta is equal to k. The solution means first to write cos theta is equal to cos alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Then you apply directly formula theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. For example, find the general solution of find the general solution of cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So how to find its general solution? Okay, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. That implies cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. First you have to write cos theta is equal to cos alpha. So this is equal to cos alpha, means alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to 60 degree, because cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to pi by 3. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to cos pi by 3. You know cos theta is equal to cos alpha means theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha means this is equal to pi by 3. Okay, 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 means this is equal to 2 LCM. This is equal to 3. Here 6n plus or minus 1 into pi by 3, where n belongs to z set. Therefore general solution cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is theta is equal to 6n plus or minus 1 into pi by 3. Okay, so in this way you have to calculate the general solution. तेणु जनरल सॉल्यूशन बाहर करिया गले प्रथमे तमे को फॉर्म अछि देखियो, से फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करी बाहर करियो. ओके, so in next class we do some another trigonometrical equation, general solution of tan theta is equal to tan alpha and cot theta is equal to cot alpha. So in this class we see that what do we mean by trigonometrical equation and what are the solution, and these solution are the two types. One is a principal solution and a general solution. And what is general solution of sin theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 0, tan theta is equal to 0, cot theta is equal to 0, and also sin theta is equal to sin alpha and cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Okay, so you do this following problem. Find the general solution of cos 3 theta is equal to root 3 by 2, sec x is equal to minus 2. Sec x is equal to minus 2 means it will be cos x is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Then apply the formula cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Then you have to find general solution. Then sin 5 theta is equal to 0, cot 4a is equal to 0, tan nx is equal to 0. Okay, thank you.